Welcome gingerbread and jelly beans. So as you can see, I have a full liter of water, alright, in my hand. And by now you're probably guessing, why am I talking with a bottle of water in my hand? Well, let me take a drink before we start. Refreshing. Water is good for you. Alright, let me kick off the mini clip here. So to the topic, thirsty men. Females calling men thirsty. You see, first of all, I have a problem with this whole thirsty argument. Alright? No, in this generation, it's really sad. Females call men thirsty for every single thing. Every single thing we call a man thirsty for. Alright? So a man being nice to a female, hey beautiful, how is everything going? You know, you look sexy and everything. Oh, you're too thirsty, I have a man, I don't want you. Blah blah blah. No, the man never say want you. The man does compliment you, saying that you look beautiful and sexy and all that. Alright, now you have the females them that they have a nice friend and the men treat them right, carry them out, you know, buy stuff, you know, just treat them, just carry them out on a day, treat them good and everything. And you know the man getting close and probably want a hug or something like that. Oh, they say the man thirsty. People, come on, ladies, come on. How can the man be thirsty and you and him go on a date, right? Yeah, the man go on a date. It is required for you to hug the guy or even kiss the guy knowing that you're single. That's the reason why you go on a date. Alright, so don't call the man thirsty for that. Next thing, females get it confused where they feel like a guy being nice to them is a guy being thirsty. Females nowadays expect a guy to be disrespectful, to be disgusting, to call him the B word. We know that big B word. Or call him the H word, who, or call him, you know, anything like that. So females nowadays that I've encountered, they're not used to a man being nice to them or used to the good treatment. Not saying that all females are like this, but a few females I've run into recently. They're not used to the kindness of a man and they take it overboard and they tend to push the man away or put him in the friend zone or the thirsty zone. So females, I just want to say, you shouldn't call a man thirsty for every single thing you do. Every nice thing the man do, he's thirsty. Not because you're not in a relationship with a guy, he's thirsty. Years and years and years ago, before you were born, females would love, and I'm not saying that this doesn't exist anymore, but females love getting compliments. They appreciate getting compliments from a man. They appreciate being treated good by a man. You know, compliments here and there. You know, they appreciate that. So these females nowadays in this generation call every man that's nice thirsty. So guess who they want now? They want the man who is going to kick, thump and box them, abuse them, call them this, call them who, call them, you understand? All type of nasty name and that. That's the kind of things that they're used to. So that's what they like now. So if a guy is treating them like trash, he's not thirsty. That's what they like now. And some of them will tell you that, hey, you know, oh, you're being too nice. Oh, there's nobody that's so nice anymore. All that. So what they're expecting is for you to treat them bad as the man. And I blame some of these men out there that treat women bad because you're setting a bad example for the good men. Or you're now setting the foundation for the women now to expect every man to be the same when we're not. So most of us are just genuinely nice and we're not thirsty. I am not thirsty. Alright, I have a bottle of water. Key, major key. Alright, so I'm not thirsty. So females appreciate the men that treat you right, appreciate the men that reach out to you, you know, want to love and care for you. Don't take advantage of that. And don't call the man thirsty. Every single nice thing that the man do, he's thirsty. The man is not thirsty. Alright, most of us are not thirsty. Alright. The reason why I'm drinking so much water, in here is hot. So I'm not thirsty in that sense, but you know, thirsty overall. But yes, so I hope you enjoyed this 4 little mini clip. If you want more mini clips, subscribe to the page down there, little red icon. If you're on Android, remember to turn on your notifications so you get updates as the vlogs drop and mini clips on the weekends. So remember, JVLOGS, subscribe, share, stop calling the men named Thursday.